In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Telegram in Chrome quickly and easily using Telegram Web. This is a super useful method if you want to access your messages on a computer without installing any extra software, and it only takes a minute once you know the steps. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Google Chrome from your desktop. You can do this by clicking the Chrome icon on your taskbar or by finding it in your apps and launching it from there. Once Chrome is open, go to the address bar at the top of the browser. In the URL field, type web.telegram.org/k or just paste the full address https://web.telegram.org/k and press enter. This will take you directly to Telegram Web in your browser. On this page, you should see a login screen with a QR code displayed. Now switch over to your mobile phone and open the Telegram app. In the Telegram app, tap the settings option. From there, look for devices and tap on it. Inside the devices menu, select add device. Your phone will now open the camera scanner so you can scan the QR code that appears on your Chrome browser screen. Point your phone at the QR code and let it scan completely. Once the code is recognized, Telegram will automatically log you in on Chrome. You should now see your chats, contacts, and messages right inside the browser, ready to use. If it doesn't connect right away, make sure your phone has a stable internet connection and that the QR code on your screen is still active. If needed, refresh the Telegram web page and try scanning again. And that's it. You've successfully logged into Telegram in Chrome using Telegram Web. It's fast, secure, and a great way to stay connected from your computer. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step guides just like this one.